Supersetting is doing 2 exercises for the same body part back to back with no rest in between. So for example, for the biceps, seated curl followed by a standing cable curl. That's 2 different exercises back to back, then followed by a 1-minute rest period. So basically what that does is it just increases the time under tension, and that's one of the main aspects of forcing the muscle to adapt, is holding the muscle under maximum tension for at least 15 seconds. When you do this superset style training, you're going to end up training the muscle a little longer than 15 seconds, but that ends up being beneficial in the long run. I do recommend 1-minute rest periods between those supersets, and that's just enough time to catch your breath, let your heart rate come down, and get ready to apply maximum intensity once again.